This is the label maker machine with tape. Inside the box are the following: label printer, 200 pieces label tape, USB-C cable, and user's manual. This product supports iOS and Android with easy-to-use free app. After successful Bluetooth pairing and connection on the app, you can download a variety of fonts, languages, borders, and symbols to meet your personalized printing needs. This label printer is equipped with RFID auto recognition chip that automatically recognizes the size of the label to enhance your printing experience. This label maker can print labels from 0.8 inch to 2 inches in width, and it supports text, images, QR codes, barcodes, and other content to meet your diverse printing needs. This portable label maker is designed with a minimalist curve aesthetic and at zero point 0.4 pounds, and it's easy to carry, whether for small businesses such as retail, apparel, and so on, and support fast high-fi volume printing, and for a single chart can last up to 5 hours of continuous operation to meet your real-time printing needs. This is a label maker machine with tape.